Working with the whole world and being known as a leader in the pasta machine industry has always been our mission. Today's markets require increasingly sophisticated solutions in line with their tradition. emac Professional was founded with the aim of becoming a leading supplier of machinery and equipment for artisan, industrial, and takeaway pasta factories. Innovation, technology, design, and new concepts. This is the daily challenge of emac Professional. The complete range of pasta machines and the ideation of new pasta concepts has allowed the company to conquer new markets. Machines produced entirely in Milan, Italy, the capital of innovation and design, and of course, pasta. Our product range meets all market needs, from the small restaurant to the large industrial pasta factory. Today, we are able to satisfy a large number of customers by providing machines, consulting, and training to open a pasta factory.